Konwell, the best under pressure. Konwell is a specialist in industrial valves, gas systems, process automation field equipment, and end-to-end solutions. The foundation of the business consists of high-quality products, extensive technical know-how, and a flexible approach to customer service. Where did it all start? Konwell began as a component distributor of German steam and condensate valves in 1982. To provide end-to-end solutions for its customers, the family-owned company acquired new European partners whose products complemented the range and met strict quality criteria. As the range and the demand for full solutions grew, Konwell expanded its presence in Finland and the Baltics. Today, Konwell is a full-service company with solutions for almost every process medium. It identifies customer needs, provides technical support and system engineering, delivers components and technical solutions from its extensive stock without delay, and offers comprehensive maintenance services. In addition to system engineering, installation, and maintenance services, the company is renowned for its expertise in providing its customers with training services, both independently and in cooperation with Finland's leading training establishments. Quality, know-how, and excellent customer service make Konwell a reliable partner. Choosing Konwell for your system design, improvement, or maintenance means making a wise investment in reliability and cost-effectiveness, letting you concentrate on your core business.